In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix stuttering, lagging, or FPS drops in Red Dead Redemption 2. So first thing I recommend doing is to make sure there are no apps running in the background. So if you click here, you'll check if there are any apps. So I recommend just disabling them and exiting them, so you can have just one app running at a time. Next thing, you want to go to Task Manager and go to Details. Here you will see applications running in the background. So if you see any like unfamiliar softwares, just right click and end process tree. You might have to do this to multiple applications here. So this will help you to have more CPU to target it towards your game. So, and if you go to startup, you can do the same thing. Just disable the like unnecessary apps here. Once you're done here, now you want to check if you're having some network issues. So you can go to CMD, then right click, run as administrator. Here you want to run a command, so net winsock reset, and press enter. And once it's done, you can just close this down. Next thing you want to do is go to this PC, C drive, and then go to Windows. Here you want to go to Prefetch and make sure you delete all of these folders. So you can Control A to select all of them, then right click and then delete. After this, you want to go to disk, clean up, and just make sure you clean all of the folders here. If you have any like unnecessary folders, this will delete and clean your drive. So click OK, and this will clean your drive, and this should fix your issue.